everyone. My name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. Today we are making Korean chicken in our first stop on our world tour in beautiful Los Angeles, California. So first things first, we are going to prep our chicken. We're going to put it in a Ziploc bag and pound it. That way, all the chicken is the same thickness, it'll grill better, and it just looks so much better.
And like I always say, let's get cooking.
So we have our chicken. All right, our chicken is all pounded and it looks perfect. Now we're going to mix our marinade. And this is pretty simple. You're just gonna take all the ingredients from soy sauce to rice vinegar and mix it up. We have, for our marinade, a cup of shoyu. Much quicker. We have 1/3 of a cup of rice vinegar. We have 1/2 a cup of brown sugar. A tablespoon of our sesame oil. And we have some pressed garlic. Little trick, this is how I marinate my chicken. I put my chicken in a Ziploc bag. Then I pour the marinade into the bag, push out all the air as much as I can, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge. And we're going to let it marinate for a couple hours, and then it'll be ready for the barbecue. Then take this. Just for safety precaution, I put it in a bowl and I'll set it in the fridge, and just every now and then I'll flip it. Kind of wiggle it around, make sure the sauce is getting everywhere on your chicken. And that's it for a couple hours on the chicken, and we'll be back and be heading outside to the barbecue.
Okay, here we are at the grill. The chicken is all ready to put on, so I'm going to go ahead and load it up, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes on one side. Then we'll flip it and cook it for about 5 minutes on the other. The thing you're looking for are char marks, the charcoal marks that come when you cook on a grill. You want to make sure that those are there, because believe it or not, they add to the flavor. So I'm going to load it up, and when the chicken is done, I will meet you back inside and we'll plate it up. Here we are back in the kitchen. Chicken's off the grill. Here we go. And it's all, oh, the smell is amazing. This is our Korean chicken done on the grill. I hope you had fun learning all about different things to eat in California. This is our final stop in Los Angeles, City of Angels, with our Korean barbecued chicken. Next week, we're heading up to San Francisco, Bay Area. It should be a lot of fun. I have some really, really good food we're cooking. And I hope you will subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.